Okay, a quick virtual tour of our new home. Here's our formal living room. And stairs upstairs, formal dining room. Here's the family room. Fireplace. The kitchen area. That was the dining area. This is the kitchen. The pantry. Here's the laundry room. Kind of dark. We don't have a light for it. And there's the door to the back, to the garage. Oh, we gotta show the backyard while we're out here. The backyard. There's a couple side yards, but I'm trying to be quick, so we won't show them right now. Let's see, here we have the office. Nice size room. Little guest bathroom, downstairs bathroom. Now we'll go upstairs. Here we are. Here's the loft upstairs, a little bonus room. Maybe our pool table room. We haven't decided which one we want for the pool table. Here's the guest room for all you people visiting us. I have to put the doors back on the closet. Here is a little closet for our towels and stuff. Bathroom upstairs. This is going to be Kayla and Dylan's bathroom. Another little storage area. This is Miss Kayla's room. They all have ceiling fans. We're all excited. Here's her view to the backyard. There's our backyard. This closet. She's going to have so much fun with those mirrors. And then Mr. Dylan's room next door. His closet. Backyard view. Okay, now we are going into the master bedroom, where all the magic happens. Just kidding. This isn't cribs. There's the bedroom. Downstairs view. Cute little fan. And Mark's going to make me a vanity. The pooper. Shower really needs to be scrubbed. So if nobody's interested in doing a detailed cleaning, and there's the master closet. This is Mark's favorite room because of the view. He wants to put a big picture window in here, make it the party room. It's funny. Okay. I think that concludes our little, what do we call it, tour. Some cute little tiles need to be cleaned. Oh, one more thing, I guess. There's a little spacious closet downstairs and through the stairs. Dad says that's the timeout room. That's so mean, huh? He's joking though. Okay, that's about it.